God is going to set in motion a chain reaction of abundance and prosperity. You will be amazed at how everything turns out. You will be attracting love, healing, job opportunities, new streams of financial income. Truth. Things are coming together in ways you cannot see yet. The Lord is working behind the scenes. Glory to God. Be patient and say your prayers. Praise His name and stay in the Word. God is not finished yet. You have not missed the love story God set out for you. I know He is taking a little longer than you expected, but the Father is simply perfecting all that is beautiful, my darling. Your almost fairy tale love story will soon find you in the midst of your journey. It won't be perfect, but the Father perfectly designed it for you. Type yes if you believe.